Hello, today I'm preparing for an event, so I came to this place. This is the office. This is Dell office, Dell Nigeria, and we're having an event today. I couldn't do my makeup from my house, but here I am. I'm also stressed out because a screw came out of my but we move. So I'll be prepping myself, doing my makeup in this room today. It's boardroom. So here are all the things I'm going to manage to do my makeup with. I'm gonna do my makeup with these things and moving on. I'm so stressed out. I don't know what to do again. Oh, my remote came off. I'm still looking for the screw. The screw fell, but I don't know where it fell. And the carpet is black, and the thing I'm looking for too is black, and this is like tragic. This is what a tragic situation looks like. But soaking it in, I am just going to do my makeup either ways and just be hopeful that I find my... I'm supposed to be doing my makeup in the toilet, right? Yeah, but I am in the boardroom. So first off, I'll just, what do I usually do? I usually just lay my brows down with some, gel or brow tamer, whatever. I'm not a professional makeup artist, by the way. Do that. There's a lot I have to do, so I'll just do it off cam. But for now, let me just... Then I'll show you guys the finished results, because yeah, crazy. I have this little swirly. Let me brush it first so that they will be respectful. My brows. Yes, baby. That's the first thing you want to do, so that they will be wavy, body crazy curvy, wavy thick browsies. Okay, they're listening, they're hearing what? Do you look at that? They are finally hearing what? So I'll do everything else off camera right now. Done. Yeah, this one is kind of like more, or maybe not. I think this is the most. This is the time I haven't struggled to put these lashes on. Usually, I'm always struggling to wear my lashes because girls will know lashes is like one of the most annoying things to apply. You have to get it right. So I want to do my edges too. I have this Echo styling gel. I'm just going to put on my edges so that my edges look slick enough. My braids are not like so really do edges or no edges, baby hairs or baby. Why does it look like my makeup was stains with? Like, what would I ever do? Please, I want to switch my earrings. I prefer these pearly earrings to go with this one, so I'm gonna use pearly earrings. Plus, they have this. They are dropping earrings, and I love dropping earrings so much because they're so much prettier. So I'm gonna try them on. It actually came with two. Is this the one they used to call it? Two hooks, which is actually smart of them. I'm having issues removing this stud. I've not done my lips. Hey, Chineke. Let me line my lips a bit. I'm also like, what is your meaning for? What is your meaning for? Shit. I've not lined my lips. That is going to be disastrous. Let me line my lips a bit. So I do my lipstick. It's not so easy when you don't have a glam team. When you're your own glam team, you have to. I don't like being crusty like this. When people don't be on. Don't I use lip balm? There's already small crust there. All of the air conditioner. Oh, is it Amatan already? I don't think so. Red or pink? I think I should use red because red, you know, I'm going to place. I want to look like an important person because I am an important person. So I'm gonna use red. Plus, I'm not using red lipstick in a long time. I don't know if I'm going to look like a weirdo, but this is Lipmatic. Amazing product. Plus, it's not matte. I'll just use my hand. Hey, they will come back for me. We already lit. Wait, though. Hey, I thought my earring came off. It kinda almost came off, but this is how it looks. So, I'm supposed to put it through. This thing is hard. But not impossible. Hard, but not impossible. Hope I don't use lipstick to stain my pearl. You like my diamonds and my pearls? I still think if I designed it. That was like a Chinese sound on TikTok last year. And I was like, circle right there. I'm gonna put this one back somewhere else. Because, because I don't have time. So the earring is like a 3-piece. Let me show you guys what I mean by a 3-piece. How does this earring look? I think they look fabulous. I don't need your opinion. I don't mind me. I need your opinion, but I'm just singing a Rico Nasty song. There's a Rico Nasty song that I think I'm going to put white inside my lips. So I'm looking too red lippy. Finally did my earrings. How do I look? Amazing. I know that's what you say. I know that's what you say. Honey, you look amazing, girl. You don't need my approval. You look amazing. Thank you. Me giving myself, hyping myself up because I'm that bitch. Yeah. Do I like it like this without? I don't know. Shall not add data to it like this. Nigeria, I was thinking maybe I should add. Let me not add, so I'll look mature. I think I'm good. Oh, my lashes. Am I supposed to curl my lashes? No, let me not curl my lashes. Please. It just takes some relax. I've done it. I've done it. I feel better. Let me clear this table because, like I said, this is a boardroom. I don't want to stain the place. I don't want it to be too obvious that I came here. I need some rings and whoopsie. I just put them on the table like a village girl. City girl. I'm gonna use these rings. What else? My hand. Yeah. I didn't bring wristwatch. I usually love to wear wristwatches. So, and I didn't bring any. That is not a good thing. But we move. What we move. I'm putting this one back though. It's always choking my hand. Don't want everything that will convince me today. Let me clear this place so because my daddy will soon come inside and say, oh yeah, let's go.
To join this one. What you show me by, huh? For pressing, who is you? Call me now.
This is my dress. Let me show you my shoes. So I wear sneakers because my leg is still not in the perfect condition. I would have loved to wear heels, but heels will probably get my leg to, I don't want to twist my ankle. Not with what my ankle has been through. I don't want to twist my ankle. So let me use this canvas as my, and take some nice pictures here before I leave this place, cause I look good. I don't need your approval.
Okay, when you should talk 6, why we take sound was it good? Nice people here, sound was okay. But the sound was okay, this thing is spoke well. Said the sound was just so lady here.
Bye. Bye. Okay.
You know they get out?
Yes.
Sorry, the office now.
Yes.
Where's Sonia? She's inside already.
Hello, fine baby. Good evening.
What's your name? There's something there.
Hi. Good evening. Hello.
How are you? I work with Dell. I see it sign.
You work with what?
Dell.
Good evening.
Oh, yeah, you can sign it.
Our hybrid storage. We are looking at an application that needs to be on spinning disk. You know, the SaaS of this world, the SATA of this world. Unity is our flagship product for that. It's amazing in terms of speed. The architecture is modernized and the development is very, very seamless. Then, performance, we guarantee 4 to 1 without compromise. What does that mean? If today you have data of 400 terabytes, it means you need space of 400 terabytes to store it. That's the meaning, right? With PowerStore, we will give you PowerStore of 100 terabytes. I repeat, 100 terabytes. And we will sign a legal agreement with you that you can take us to court if we default. And I will promise you that 400 terabytes will fit in perfectly into the PowerStore. That's just 100 terabytes. Guaranteed, without compromise. So we also have programmability, like I've said. we have plugins into the various development tools. Then if you are looking at mission critical infrastructure storage, that's your power mat. It's powerful, it's simple, it's a trusted storage infrastructure with performance. Top 10 banks in the world run their data on power mats. End of story, and there are reasons for that, and they will continue to do that. Then in the portfolio, we have combined and advanced combined infrastructure. We have the VS Rail that is built with VMware that allows you to run your modern application. And we can see the numbers. A lot of customers in Nigeria are embracing this solution. We now have specialized solution for database consolidation, as well as different type of workload, whether it is virtual workload, whether it is physical workload. We have PowerFlex to support that. Like I mentioned before, we're a portfolio company. We are not one product company. So we'll sit with our customers, we identify their data and their business vision, and we propose within our portfolio what they need in order for them to get the value that they are looking at. This is big law, which is very popular in the environment. So we deliver all of this as a service. All the value that I mentioned, our plan is to be able to deliver them as a service in Nigeria. It's happening in other regions, but works are the discussions, negotiations, agreements are being made so that we can deliver all of this as a service, which simply means that you pay for what you use and it's available anytime. The type of value you get from Amazon, we are bringing it to your doorstep as a customer. So that's our service called Apex. So invest with confidence, invest in Dell, because you can see the numbers. Number one in everything. Number one in storage, number one in ACI, and you can verify this. These are third-party testimonials. So all of these are backed up with our award-winning professional services. If anybody knows Dell, you know that our support is world-class. Our professional service is second to none. All of these are what we want to offer in Nigeria as well. So, we got it covered. Dell Technologies, again, we develop solutions that drive human progress. That is the end of my
This is going to be very short, so that we can move quickly. For the server updates, I'd like to welcome Mr. adekunmi.ola.
Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is adekunmi. These are designed to run high performance computing workloads to be able to help for you to get time to value faster. Now, the servers run on Intel processors, and we have a variant that runs on AMD processors. 750s, the ones that end with zeros are the Intels, the ones that end with 25, two fives in the middle are the AMD offloaded. Now we have what we call the Open Managed Systems Enterprise. Now this tool helps you to get to value faster. It automates the release process, the configuration process of your server. So it drastically reduces how so rapid provision. You have to change this module at a certain point in time. So it helps you plan ahead. And it also sends that telemetry data to after we have what we call support remote service. It can send some of the telemetry data securely, not your logs, not your data, but telemetry data to a cloud platform that guides you as to this is how my system is doing. It compares that data to similar data from people that are in your industry that are running this similar kind of workloads, and they can advise you that these are the changes you need to make to get better optimization out of your.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry, I'm usually the last person to speak every time we have an event, so it's okay. But don't worry, I'm going to be very fast, okay? So, okay. So I don't know if everyone knows what CSG means, Client Solutions. Okay, let me just explain. So every time you hear Dell clients or CSG or Client Solutions Group, it's pretty much all about the PCs, okay? The PCs, the laptops, the desktops, monitors, workstations, just the endpoint devices. So that's pretty much how we classify PCs in Dell. So we call them client systems. So, okay. So today, work is no more a place. Work is no more a location. You know, work is an activity that we do anywhere at any time. All right. So today we are all sellers. The Dell partners are an extension of the Dell team. Okay, so I am a salesperson, and I believe everyone here is a salesperson. We have a business that we are running. I represent a business. You represent a business, or even your business, right? So we are all selling. So at the end of the day, who are we selling to? We are selling to our customers, and our customers have employees, right? And they are all called the workforce. So in the client space, what we try to do is drive a concept called workforce transformation, which is pretty much getting the right laptop or desktop in front of the right user. All right. So we are trusted advisors to our customers. As a partner today or as a supplier, your job is not just to do business. You're supposed to advise your customer, make sure they take the right decisions when purchasing PCs for the employees or the workforce. So that is what you're supposed to do. So pretty much workforce transformation is just making sure this PC is available for this particular person. Let's use a banking environment for example. In a banking environment, we have tellers, we have back-end officers, we have front-end officers, we have regular banking officers, we have I think we have developers, people in IT, we have ESCOs, right? So all these people are different personas. So what we're supposed to do as trusted advisors or solution providers is to make sure that these people have the right PCs to do their work. You know, the PC is not just a box. It is a tool that we use to connect to technology. So all these big technologies that my colleagues have spoken to you about, you know, you cannot access them if you don't have the right PC. You know, so the PC is very important to the way we work, to the way we interact, and the way we do business. So that's why, as an advisor, as a seller, what you need to do is to make sure that your customers are buying the right laptops. Don't just say, oh, laptops are easy to sell. No. Or maybe, oh, they are cheap. Let's look for let's look for the cheapest laptop and sell to this customer. No. What does your customer need? What is good for their type of work? What is good for the different personas in that environment? So you are supposed to advise them so that you can sleep well. Because I have customers today who are calling me because they were supplied the wrong PCs, right? We have people in IT using Core 3. They have no business in using Core 3. You know, so you need to advise them and make sure that we put the right pieces. So that's pretty much what workforce transformation is all about, making sure the right employees have the right tools to do their work. So this slide, that's the story around this slide. So when I talked about the PC not just being hardware, it's the same thing as saying that this PC is a touch point from which we access technology, right? So today, like I said earlier, PC is not just a box. It's a box that allows people to be productive, to connect to technology, to connect to work, to connect to the process. So having the right PC, even me as an employee for Dell, my company has given me the right PC to do my job. I'm a salesperson, right? So I'm always on the go. Today, my PC, I haven't charged it in a couple of days. Why? Because my battery life is great. You know, my PC is also a super thing because I'm a lady. I have a bag. I have to carry my handbag now, so my laptop has to be in the bag. But then it's a very small laptop. It's super light, and it's super fast, and then the battery life is amazing, right? So my company has enabled me with the right tool for me to be productive, right? So this is just pretty much what we are supposed to do as sellers of technology. Go in front of our customers, advise them to make sure that they put the right tools in front of the employees, of the users. Okay, so just a quick information on our PCs, right? So today, those of you who are aware of Dell laptops, or when you hear Dell laptops, apart from the fact that they are expensive, which I don't think they are very durable. Most of you know that, when you talk about Dell laptops are strong, they are rugged, they are reliable. But this is actually the truth, all right? So we have been manufacturing PCs. Michael Dell has been in this PC business for over 34 years. And we have mastered the whole process. We know how it works. So we don't...
Questions quickly. Okay, you want them to, please can we go up on the stage? Okay, we have, yes, we have to. So that the photographer can. No. Well done, sir. Madam Sonia, we need you. Yes. This is for the rich people. All right. Nigeria is the only country where the photographer is snapping picture and is the one smiling. You're wondering what's funny.
Let me show you guys. Yes, we are done. We are done.
Hello.